everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, and I have 3 Facebook groups. Those links are all down below. They're all related to junk journals and paper crafts. And then there was also the Sweet Pea Papers coffee shop. You can go over there, coffee shop, and check out the journals, become a member, you know, all that fun stuff. Get videos, I can't even talk this morning, that other people can't get. So we're here today with our Crafting with BeeBeeCraft series, and today we're going to take a look at this spine. I forgot to look and see what it was called. It's going to be listed below the video. All of the things that I got this time for or from BeeBeeCraft will be listed below with the name and then a link directly to the product. And I'll show you the price too, okay? And then don't forget to use the 10% off code for you that's at the top of the list of items, okay? So what we're going to do today, I've never done before myself, and it really shouldn't take that long. I've got this ginormous book cover, and this isn't going to work for this cover, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, this is really deep and it's really big, so I'm actually not going to be able to use this cover. But I took all the dictionary pages out, the ginormous dictionary pages out, and I'm using them. So that's what I used this giant book for. I thought maybe I could use the cover for something. I'm not sure what. But okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to reinforce the spine. Now this one does need to be reinforced. As you saw, it was floppy. Once I took the pages out, I could see that it was just a paper spine and not you know, material or this webbing right here that stopped where the pages stopped, or any kind of chipboard or anything. So the first thing you would do is take some chipboard. Now I would use heavyweight chipboard, but I can't cut that right now because of my hands and my elbow, and you know, all that good stuff. So what I would do is I would cut a piece of chipboard. I'm going to go ahead and do that. That's the width of the inside of the spine. Now remember, this is going up like this. So the width is really from the crease here to the crease here. And that's all. And then you'd have to put like 100 of them in there. And then you'd have to use a hidden spine. There's just no way you'd be able to sew through everything. You know what I mean? That you're going to have to use to build this up. So it's going to go to here. And then it doesn't go quite to the ends. You would want a piece that goes all the way to the end and not just to here on both ends, because then this this part up here, see, will be able to curl under, and you don't want that. Okay, so what I would do is cut 2 of these, cut it in half so that the seam is in the middle. You know, you don't want it down here somewhere. And then double up on it, double up on the pieces so that I have enough to go all the way. It's just barely not enough. I would still go for a piece. Well, this might actually work. Let's give her a cut and see. Yes, that piece would actually work. So we would put several of these in here, okay, and build it up to the level of this right here. This was a very thick book. So you're not going to need one of my hairs, that's for sure. Yeah, so that's what you would do for that part. Looks like a pencil mark to me. And then you would take this material and you would open it up and you would go on either side. Do you remember when we do the create journal covers, the hard covers, and we take that center piece of paper and we go out an inch on either side? That's the exact same thing you would do here. You would cut a piece that goes on either side of the spine. Remember, you have to build the spine up so that this is smooth from here to here. You want to be able to close the book. And then you would put this over it to reinforce that. And then you would do whatever you want to do for your inside covers. Okay? So this video is going to be really short because I can't really do it. I just wanted to show you how to do it and what you could use this lining reinforcing paper cloth for. It feels like paper on the outside where it was taped with paper tape. It did come up a little when I opened, untaped it. So it's like paper on the back and a material on the front. Almost a vinyl material, but no, I think it's the actual material on the front side. I like the pattern too. So that's all you would do for that, and I will show you in the next video. We're going to play around with the die to make those little triangles and stuff, and see if I can make some of those beads. I've never done that before either. Well, I did once, but we'll talk about that in the next video. Okay? All right, well, thanks a lot for hanging out with me. I hope this was helpful. I know that I didn't actually do it for you, but I didn't have the materials. Well, I actually do have the hard, the heavyweight chipboard, but like I said, I can't cut it. So, and I'm not going to use this cover, so it doesn't really matter. So anyway, here's this almost demonstration for you, and I will see you in the next Crafting with BeeBeeCraft video next week. Okay? Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.